Hello everyone, it's me again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you already did, welcome back. So I've been owning my scooter for 3 years already, so the battery is 3 years, and a couple of days ago it's dying on me. So the reason I know it because I could not start my scooter. I did use the voltmeter to test it, and it's under 10 volts. So I did try and recharge it, but then when I left it overnight, it's discharged itself to 10 volts or below it again. So I know the battery's dead. So I ordered a new one. This is new battery. This is $26 and it's AGM battery, so it should last at least twice as long as before, because AGM battery tend to last longer than the regular battery. So today I'm going to replace this with this new one with replacing the old one. Let me show you how to replace it. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is open the battery compartment, which I already unscrewed already. So all you need is just take it out. Take it out and remove your old battery, which is mine. I have a strap on, so it's a little bit difficult to remove it, but just a strap on, so it's not that bad. So all you really do is remove the old screw, take out the two screw from the positive and the negative terminal. And this side too. Both of them and put it on the side. I have the strap on, so remove the strap, and all you do is just lift the battery up. There you go. Simple and easy. Now put the new battery in. one, and let's try the other one. One more wire right here. Make sure both of them are tight and both of them look good. This thing cover the back. And have the cover go back. Now you put the strap back in. It's nice and tight. And everything back to normal. Tuck all the wire in. So everything nice and neat. So that's it. All you do is put the cover back, put the screw back, and bring your old battery to a auto part place so they can recycle it. Turn on your scooter and test it out and see it work. So it looks like everything's working. So look like the new scooter, the new battery is working good. I did test in the manual of the new battery. They said you need to, if it doesn't charge to 100%, then you need to charge it. And I did use the voltmeter to test it, and it did get to, so they said it fully charged is about 12.8 volt. So when I tested it, it's 12.8, so it's fully charged ready, so I don't really charge it. So just make sure you fully charge it before you plug it in, you put it in. And that's it. Make sure you recycle the old battery, and that's it. So replacing battery is pretty easy. Hope you guys, if you never replace battery, hopefully this video will help you out a little bit. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.